What is going on, guys? Dwayne here, Gibson's Beard Adventures, and as you just seen, we got some beard mail delivered straight from the Pony Express of all things. And I don't know if you noticed, but did you see the postman coming as I was closing the door? Strange, right? Anyway, got a package here from Dodge City for Men, and this is their reviewer's package that they sent for this review. It's got all 8 of their scents in sample sizes, and then a full-size beard salve that we're going to go over. I'm going to try each one of these scents out, get duration. But first, I absolutely love Dodge City's products and their theme, all that. Absolutely awesome. So if you're into beard stuff, guy stuff, or any other types of stuff, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got. Alright, first off is the beard salve I chose, which is one of their newer scents, Desperado. Love that. Man, I love their style. Just absolutely awesome. And what else we got in here? Alright, we got some Dodge City Exchange. $3 off coupon. We have a card with a note on the back of it that says, "Howdy, Dwayne. These scents have helped countless men score big at the saloon, and we feel real good about that. Most men's ex-wives were not particularly thrilled with us, however. Yeehaw, Matt and John, Dodge City." I love that, y'all. And check them out on Instagram. They're always coming up with different stuff, sayings. It's absolutely awesome. I love seeing their posts. Alright, what's next here? Oh, one of their business cards. I love these little cards. Those are cool. Oh, man. My first Dodge City sticker. That is awesome. That is totally awesome. I love that. I don't know, I was getting more excited about the sticker than I was anything else, I guess. Alright, so, and then we have 2 little bags. I love these satchel things, those are cool. With the scents, I'm assuming, so, you know, this stuff is just, it's awesome. Okay, this is the Bounty Hunter Variety Pack. It says here on the back, bounty hunters only have a few rules. If you slip up, you go down. Keep a beard, have an alibi. I love that. Alright, with their scents on here that are in here, which we have these nice little sample size bottles, which is pretty cool. And these are gold labeled. It's got their little symbol on there. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Alright, and then it's got the scents here on the back, which we got High Noon, Bounty, Fool's Gold, and Pioneer. We have more sample size bottles. There's 4 bottles in each satchel for 8 cents. And these are silver labeled. I love the style of those. Those are nice. Nice silver labels. And then it also has a card in here, and this is the Bandit Variety Pack. And it has, being a bandit can make for dirty work. Don't let your beard get caught in the crossfire. Then it's got the scents as well, which is the Blackheart Bourbon, Saloon Spice, Desperado, which is the match to the beard salve I got, and then Tycoon. So that was the other choice that I was thinking about doing, but I really like the Desperado one, because it is hickory, leather, and spiced musk. I like that leather. So, alright. Y'all want me to open a couple of these and tell you what I think? I think I should. We'll do the Desperado scent that I got and the Tycoon. Those are their 2 newest scents. So I'll tell you what I think about those 2 right quick. Alright, first we'll start off with the Desperado sample. I hope y'all can see this real good. Ooh. Oh, I'm so glad I picked that one. Oh, you get the fresh hickory and leather. Ooh, it's very fresh. I love that. It's like a fresh. Ooh, I don't know. It's fresh. I love that. And then their Tycoon. I'll show you that right there. Same bottle style. Maybe I'll do a couple of the gold label too for you. Ooh, now that is nice. Wow. Not at all what I was expecting on that profile. Frankincense, myrrh, and patchouli. That is nice. I thought it was going to be like over incensey, but no. This blended together nicely, y'all. Holy crap. Tycoon. Now on their gold labels, we'll do the Pioneer first. Ooh, what is that? Pioneer is Burmese wood, white oak, and fir. That's nice. That's another fresh scent. Ooh, that's very fresh. I like that. And then Fool's Gold is leather, sweet tobacco, and citrus. Okay, I'm getting that it's not a very strong scent. Maybe once I warm it up and get it in beard, it'll come out more. But you get that, you get a citrusy note right up front. I like that. All right, y'all. Thanks, Dodge City, for sending this out for me to review and go over the scents. And absolutely love everything. Love the stickers. It's all great. So, until next time, have a good one and live every day as an adventure. Peace.